Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to fix Lancer Evolution 10 AFS light. So you guys can see DTC and AFS light on the cluster. So this is a reason customer replace aftermarket headlights. So if you replace aftermarket headlights, you can use this method. So we need a LED 2 resistor to left hand side and right hand side. So you guys can see this is the main headlight connector, the driver side. So the color is red and black, another one is a blue color. Should be connection is the parallel connection. So this is a passenger side, how look like the resistor and the connection same as it is. This is also parallel connection, so brown and white, another one is orange color. So my connection already done, so I'm going to clear the DTC. Finally fix the AFS light. This is the easy fix. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. See you in the next video.